Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are learning about the prophets of Allah. I want to tell you the story of Yunus and the big fish. Prophet Yunus was sent by Allah to teach people about Islam. He became frustrated because people did not listen to him. He wanted to run away from his job. He got on a big ship to sail far away, but there was a storm that rocked the ship back and forth. The people on the ship were scared that someone was making their gods mad. They made everyone draw lots to see who they would sacrifice for the gods. Yunus was picked. He was thrown overboard. A big fish swallowed him. Yunus prayed for 40 days in the big fish. The big fish spit him out. He landed on the beach. A big gourd tree grew and shaded him. Yunus learned never to run away from his responsibilities. He went back to his people and began teaching them again. Now, you can watch a short video on how to make a big fish craft.